Alright everyone, so I just wanted to showcase my more or less brand new T.U.K creeper shoes that I got this imported from England. Almost, got a little branch on, almost about 2 to 3 years ago. So they are the casual, however, at the same time, very, what's this called? Casual but formal dress shoes. They're very snazzy. I like them. A little gangster. I love them. Very mafia looking. A lot of people love these. Genuine leather. I thought I'd do a little, I would have called it boot fetish, but it's not a boot fetish. It's like shoe fetish. But yeah, I keep these things like clean, oil. One of my absolute favorite shoes. They're comfortable. And they, yes, they do got the skull and the crossbones on the bottom. And these things are surreal. These things are amazing. Genuine leather. Like I said, I keep them polished, clean, and everything. Yeah, and I love these things. I wear them as much as possible, mainly with my formal attire. But I decided, as of recent, I'm going to basically wear them for casual attire like this as well. And this is pretty much what I'm wearing right now. My snapback, if you can see that in the video or not, but I love this. Awesome shoes. My name is Cody Gremlin. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, favorite, share, and provide your comments below. Alright, everyone, so my name is Cody Gremlin. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, favorite, share, provide your feedback in the comments below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. You're all awesome.